Namaste, myself JVN Jyoti Kumawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today I am going to deliver the lecture on stages of learning, which is from the course Psychology of Learner Learning, which is from the program BSc B.Ed BA B.Ed third semester. Students, in last class we have discussed about the characteristics of learning. Now we have some stages for learning. First, learning is a process, it often occurs in stages. So psychologists have identified three stages of learning, mainly as acquisition stage, retention stage, and recall stage. Acquisition stage, in this stage, information is received by the learners as stimulus, and the process of receiving information by the learner is called acquisition. Next, retention stage, the information received by the learner may be stored in the memory, and this is the stage where mental processing begins in terms of meaningfulness, interpretation, and encoding. Retention could be short term memory or long term memory. Short term memory STM, long term memory defined as the LTM. The short term memory function as a system to process information that had been stored which are immediately needed. If we talk about the LTM, then in this type of memory, information which is not immediately needed are processed and pushed out of the short term memory into the long term memory. This implies that only information that are needed over a long period are stored in the long term memory. Now third stage is as recall. This is the process where information that had initially been acquired and retained is subsequently retrieved. If for any person acquired information cannot be recalled, something may be wrong with retention that has not made learning possible. It is important to note that learning completes its circle when information acquired is retained and are subsequently retrieved or recalled. So I think you all are understood about these stages of the learning. Thank you.